on turbo engines. And by the way, this is an S60R, so you get a better view of it. It's really looking there. You will see the nipple right there, so it's very visible. And my warning to you, 30 millimeter is really not thick. If it's stuck in there, don't force, by all means. It's not gonna leak, but you're gonna break it. So spray something on it before trying. It's right underneath. This is a non-turbo gasoline engine, so it's really let me just remember, it's really, you can reach it right that it's just may follow these pipes of coolant, and at some point you'll notice it's like a small nipple towards the end of the engine. We use a 13 millimeter. That valve is a little bit stuck. So I still have extra fluid coming from the block.